Hey, hoodie, legend. And I'm feeling like a suspect. And well, I'm sick to my stomach without a gut check. My money's super tall, they call that success. Would you like to climb into my wallet? She said, fuck yes. Well, now that we just came to an agreement, you should know I really mean it. Miss Rapunzel with the cleavage, I believe cause I'm a genius. I get girls Adam Levine did. Good Jesus, what an achievement. People didn't believe it when they saw my first video. Yeah, if I was hipster, I would've put it on Vimeo.